India is ready for an immediate counter-strike if necessary. All of India's air defense systems are fully prepared. Every military base and equipment in the country is on high alert. Air Marshal A.K. Bharati made this clear again at a press conference on Monday. Despite the ceasefire announcement late on Saturday night, Pakistan launched multiple drone and missile attacks along the line of control and the international border in Jammu and Kashmir. This triggered heightened tension in several border regions. Although the situation along the LOC is currently under control, maximum alert has been issued across western border states. The country's defense infrastructure has been placed on the highest level of operational readiness. This was stated by Director General of Air Operation Air Marshal A.K. Bharati in the presence of other top military officials, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod, and Major General S.S. Sarda at the Monday press briefing. India is ready for an immediate counter-strike if necessary. All of India's air defense systems are fully prepared. Every military base and equipment in the country is on high alert. Air Marshal A.K. Bharati made this clear again.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday, we had a detailed brief on the successful joint operations that were carried out to destroy the terror infrastructure in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as well as in Pakistan itself. We also iterated that our fight was with terrorists and their support infrastructure and not with Pakistan military. However, it is a pity that the Pakistan military chose to intervene and bat for the terrorist, which compelled us to respond in kind. दोस्तों, हमारी लड़ाई आतंकवाद और आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ थी। इसलिए 7 मई को हमने केवल आतंकवादी ठिकानों पर ही हमला किया था। पर अफसोस इस बात का है कि पाकिस्तानी सेना ने आतंकवादियों का साथ देना उचित समझा और इस लड़ाई को अपनी लड़ाई बना ली। इस परिस्थिति में हमारी जवाबी कार्यवाही अत्यंत आवश्यक थी और इसमें उनका जो भी नुकसान हुआ वे खुद इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं। हमारी तरफ से हमारी एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम्स देश के लिए दीवार की तरह खड़ी थी और इसको भेदना दुश्मन के लिए नामुमकिन था। This brings me to the point: how have Indian forces managed to minimize the damage to both civilian and military infra in the country, in spite of the unrelenting efforts by the Pakistani forces? Most of you and the majority populace within the country have had a lot to say about the layered and integrated air defense systems put in place by the Indian Armed Forces, which includes the assets of the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, in addition to the primary air defense assets of the Indian Air Force. As you all are well aware, this robust AD system comprises of a large variety of multi-layered AD sensors and weapon systems, from point defense weapons like the low-level air defense guns, shoulder-fired manpads, and short-range surface-to-air missiles or SAMs, to area defense weapons like the air defense fighters and longer-range surface-to-air missiles within our inventory. Additionally, the numerous waves of drones and unmanned combat aerial vehicles employed by Pakistan were also thwarted by the indigenously developed soft and hard kill counter-US systems and the well-trained Indian air defense personnel. All this was brought together as an efficient an effective AD environment by the Integrated Air Command and Control System of the ISCCS of the Indian Air Force, which accords us the net-centric operational capability which is vital to modern days warfighting.
In a press conference, Air Marshal A.K. said that the Pakistani army has sided with the militants which Pakistan has suffered for. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.